everyone, today we are going to talk about set B, which is brightening set. Okay, so this brightening set consists of 4 items, which is the first one is vitamin C foam cleanser, and then we have expert toning solution, and then enzyme serum, and also the last not least is brightening moisturizing cream. We are going to start with the first one, which is step 1, vitamin C foam cleanser. Okay, and then put it on your palm. This palm varies according to your skin. Okay. See? And then you wash your face. And next, we're going to go with the expert toning solution. Okay. You take a side sealed facial puff and then put a drop 2 and use it over your skin. Don't forget all your parts of your skin, including under the eyes. Okay. Don't forget your neck. Next is enzyme serum. Serum is very essential because it's not only enriched with salicylic acid, it is also good if you want to go out. So you just put a drop, 2 drop, 3 drop, okay? A few drops to your face, and you take your hand and gently lather it. And don't forget your neck part as well. Okay, so next is brightening moisturizing cream. Okay, so it's very convenient. See, just have to press like that. Okay, press like that and then come up. It's very nice. Make it all covered, and you just massage again. Feel the moisturizer absorb into your skin, and you don't forget the neck part. Also, you push it upward to make your face more tight and better. Okay, so this is all about set B, which is brightening set.